Helga vi dråkhindra av iska. Helga vi dråkhindra av iska. Great Nornir, goddesses, mothers, fates, Erd, Verdandi, and Skuld. Sisters of the past, the present, and the future, we call to you. We call to you as those who weave our fate, who control what will be, what is, and what was. We ask you here, in this time, in between time, at this place, in between worlds, that we may offer to you our thanks, our gratitude for the skein that you've wove to bring us all together at this time in this place. We ask that we may offer you sacrifice of mead brewed here at Yggdrasil, that we may give thanks for all that you've done in our lives. Hail the Norns.
Hail the Norns.
We welcome you, ladies, as we venerate you and we thank you for all that you give us. As you see, you are always represented in this Vey with this Boli and this Horg. You are always on our mind. We are always thinking of the things we've done, how they affect where we're at, and how we should move forward. We ask that you bless this mead so that we may take those blessings internally and externally, so that we may take a part of you in us and around us as we move forward in our days. Hail the Norns.
Hail the Norns.
I deliver to you the blessings of the Norns. To you the blessings of the Norns. To you the blessings of the Norns.
Deliver you the blessings of the Norns.
Norns, ladies, such mystery and might, of so much power, not even the gods can withstand. What you decree will be. Erd, the eldest, as you shred those things that have gone before, we realize that the past no longer exists. You've ensured that it is only a memory. Verdandi, as we live our lives moment to moment, we see your influence. It is what really matters. It exists right here, right now, but in a flash it's gone and destroyed, never to be again. Skuld of the future, as we have anxiety and stress over what will be, we know that only you decree, and we have no say in the matter. All we can do is live now the best we can and hope that when we get to that phase in the future that we know what to do when we get there. We see your blessings, we understand them, and we thank you for them. Hail the Norns.
Hail the Norns.
Blessings of the Norns.
Thank you. Ladies, it's hard to believe that a year has passed since last stood here and offered a horn to you. You're with us when we come into this world, and you're going to be with us when we leave it. And on the road during it is where we weave our own path. We make our own decisions. The tapestry that we are all weaving together is sometimes the pattern is quite erratic. But we all have a certain color thread, and we're all weaving this amazing story together. And I am beyond grateful for the colors and the knots and the beautiful, perfect weave that we sometimes get together. Life hasn't been boring this past year. That's certainly a fact. And I appreciate that we've all come through it together, stronger. And I can't wait to see the pattern that we weave this next year. Hail the Norns.
Hail
the Norns.
Is there any other work to do?
Yes. Yes, I have a new blade that I would love to have blessed.
You gotta make prior arrangements for that stuff.
Nope, that's not what a goalie does.
Happy to. Before the Norns, the gods, and our folk, may this blade serve you well. May it serve you in defense, in craft, in all things that you will it. May it never be used against you or against those that you love. Hail. Thank you.
Hail.
Is there any other work to be performed? Norns, our beloved ladies, we see your influence every day, in every way, in everything we do. We're always thinking about what just happened, what's going to happen next, but rarely, Verdandi, do we give too much thought to what's happening right at this moment. I think that's a lesson that we should all probably take to heart. We should pay more attention on now, on this moment, and not on what's coming or what's going, but now. I think that's an important lesson that's often wasted on the stresses and the trials of our day-to-day lives. But we will do better. We will put effort where effort should be, and not stress over things we can't change or things we can't control. We thank you for your presence in our lives and in this book today. We know you are busy weaving the fates of all men, all creatures, and the gods, and we don't wish to keep you. We do wish to invite you to stay for feast, to sit in our meetings, and to be a part of our lives moving forward now and forever in the future until we meet again at our final day. Hail to you, ladies.
Hail.
Hail the Norns.
And with that, the vote has ended.
That's a good one. That was all right. Good one. Great one, Sasha.
Group hug over by Joe.
Yeah, good. Already here. Already there. Joes. The Joes are here.
All the Joes, all the Joes.
Okay, everybody smile.
Smile. Ah, where's Coco? Huh? Nobody knows. To our fallen kinsmen, one day we'll meet you in paradise.